Alright guys, here we are. So having a little snowstorm today. It's the 24th day of March. I'll put this up tomorrow. Kind of while I was doing some videos for the Adventure Channel walking around. So I've been back here before, so this is kind of a little preview. I've always walked back here many times. So we're supposed to get a foot, but I don't know. It's been, the snow has been kind of come see come saw. I'm on a DJI 4K Osmo. You can tell some people have been back in here already. It's the 24th day of March 2024. And you can kind of tell when it's kind of sticking on stuff. It's so wet. Good for snowball fights. Kind of tell how everything sticking on the trees. I don't know. They claim we're gonna get a foot, so I don't know. Rain's coming, so I don't think it was as big as I thought it was. But we do need the moisture. Now, I said before, many videos. Our next war will be over water. We need moisture for the almighty mo. So, I've done some videos back in before. It's just kind of cool back in here. Everything kind of sticks together. I don't know how good it looks in the camera, but I might title it March Snowstorm 2024. Fear mongering. I don't know what this is. Is that a tent or what? I don't know. There was a homeless guy living back in here, so who knows? Yeah, I've done like 5 or 6 videos that I'll put up later, walking through the snow. So I'll probably come back in here and do a little preview or whatever. But it's kind of cool to see all the how the snow is sticking on all the stuff. What time is it anyways? What time is it? Yeah, so I don't know if it's gonna pick up for tomorrow, whatever. We always had one in March during the boys hockey tournament. That's come and gone. Right now, I went to the bike show yesterday. So, you can go that way if you want to as well. You go down there. A lot of people come back into here. Have a cool area. Kind of tell there's a great for a movie scene right in here. I feel kind of cool to bring people back into here. There's more in Minnesota than just mosquitoes. These kind of snowstorms don't really come a lot like this, where you can enjoy it, walk around. I've seen a lot of dogs today with their handlers running around. You can tell somebody else been back in here. They know about this area. People have camped back in here. So they must have come from there, because there's houses back in here. So they must have came from their house. What do you guys think, huh? Kind of a put this on a postcard. Kind of goes back into that way if you want. Goes back into here. But what do you guys think, huh? So, yeah, it's a great day for a walk. On the winter that wasn't. 2024. Interesting, to say the least. Is how it sticks together like that. But anyways, guys, kind of want to give you a little preview of what I've been doing today. So anyways, see you guys in the next one.